Hi guys! So today I'm plucking up the courage to head to a beautiful park that's local to me called Lea Gardens. It's a park full of rhododendrons that are really beautiful this time of year, and I thought it would be the perfect place to get some creativity, get some inspiration, and to use my sketchbook a little bit more. I made this cute little watercolour set just for my travels that I'll be going on soon, and I also filmed it, so let me know if you guys would like a video on how to make your own little watercolour set. It's something that really does actually make me quite nervous to do when painting in public, but yesterday my anxiety actually felt really manageable, so I thought it would be the perfect time to just go for it and see what happens. I was absolutely exhausted by the end of it, but I'm really pleased that I went in the end because it was so beautiful, and I was so pleased to actually capture some of those moments in my sketchbook. A lot of the time I paint from photographs, whether that's photographs I've taken or that I've found online, but it is totally different when you're painting from life because you get to really experience every moment, every sense of what you're painting, the sight, the smell, the sounds of the birds around it, and it definitely helps, I think, give a little bit more of something to your painting. Watercolour is actually really easy to take out, and it actually really helps to buy one of those paintbrushes where you capture the water inside the actual paintbrush. I got mine really cheap, it was like £1 or something like that, and it just makes it a little bit more easier to take your watercolours out and about. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed that video. I hope that it brought a little bit of inspiration and maybe gave you some of the courage to head out to a local park or gardens to really feel inspired and capture some of those moments in your sketchbook. Thank you so much guys for your amazing support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!